Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at my makeup collection a little bit, and we're going to be organizing. I have so many new makeup that I need to put up and just show you guys some organizational tips and tricks and all that good stuff. So if you want to see this video, please make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, click that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, and let's go ahead and get started. So my room has been a mess for a while with new makeup that I just threw in this box. I will buy it, look at it for a second, throw it back in this box and put it away. And it's just stacking up on me. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and organize all of that makeup and put it in my makeup stash. So that's that. As you guys can see, a whole heap of stuff. So I do have some IKEA shelves that I need to put in so that I can add more storage for my makeup, and I like to display my makeup a certain way, especially my foundations, so I can really see what colors I have so I can reach for it really quickly. So now I'm just measuring out where I want to put everything, and we're going to put those shelves in. So that's what that's looking like so far. I really love this look. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side just like that. And we kind of like went to the future maybe a year. I filmed this earlier, a year before, and I never finished the video, so now I'm just getting to it. So we're gonna go ahead and add those shelves and do the same thing we did over there. But we're gonna use more drugstore brands too on this side. So here I just threw some makeup in a polish rack that I wasn't using, one of those racks that hangs on the wall. And I just threw my makeup in there, and it's kind of like a little drawer. I just pull it out a little bit, or I can pull it all the way out to see what I want to use, but that's just what I use in that first area. Now I'm just showing you guys some of the makeup that I purchased that I never put away, and you can see how old these purchases are because you can tell by the collections that I never put these things away. So now I finally got to doing it. and this is the part where you can see some of my storage, how I store things. So these are just things I need to put away, just boxes and boxes of makeup that needs to just be put in its right place. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm even finding stuff in here that I forgot that I even had. I want to play with these things. So you're going to see a lot of little makeup videos coming soon because now I'm kind of inspired to like really try out my makeup because I just buy things and I forget about it, which is a waste of money. I need to be using these things and getting my money's worth out of them before they expire because I do have a lot of expired makeup that I need to throw away. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this bottom layer here and use it for some palettes. And I'm just looking at this stuff like, wow, I forgot that was even there. So yeah, we have some contacts, some just makeup, old makeup. Oh, I love this palette and I haven't even touched it yet. So I can't wait to use that. So we're just gonna clean out this thing and organize some eyeshadows. And you guys can see I haven't been buying new makeup. All of this stuff, except for the Juvia's Place and a couple of things, but most of this stuff you've seen years ago, and I still, have it in my collection because I still like it. I like to use it. And I haven't been really buying makeup lately because I have so much makeup. It's like, why am I even gonna buy new makeup? So, yeah, I haven't been doing it. So I'm just gonna shop my own collection as long as it's not expired. I'm gonna be using this stuff. So like I said, I was using a nail polish rack that hangs on the wall to add some of my makeup to because I think it was a nice little organization idea for my makeup because I'm not using my polishes on it, so I needed to do something with it, so I just threw that stuff in there. And I have room to grow if I want to, so I just put it there as a little drawer. Just be careful if you do this because you can drop it, so just be careful when you're pulling it out. So now I have put everything away and I'm just showing you guys where I put it, and they're all organized and in their homes. I feel so free. It's so clean now because it's not just sitting around my room. It's in its home finally. So here I'm just showing you guys like the old MAC palettes I had in this little CD thing over there. So much nostalgia right there. I do have a nail polish rack from MAC, and it's nothing but MAC nail polishes, and I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. I was gonna put all the nail polishes on the nail and put it on the racks, and I will do that video for you guys real soon. If you want to see it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you want to see that video. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this organizational type of videos. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one.